Alright, what is going on, guys? Darkstar here. Bringing you guys another video, another kind of transit slash walking video. So this one, I'm near the Exhibition GO station on Atlantic Avenue in Liberty Village. And today I'll be checking out the pedestrian bridge at the Exhibition GO station. So I did take the 63 Ossington bus to get down here from Ossington Station. And as you guys can see, Exhibition GO station right up ahead. So I was doing the research for this video. Couldn't really find many YouTubers that actually covered this bridge. Only found out about yours truly, Lizzo C. I should probably just call her Lizzo C, but that was the only YouTuber that really did a full breakdown of this pedestrian bridge. And if you guys are wondering, yes, I'm on my way to the C&E to record another video after this one. So this while I'm at it, this is where the terminus of Atlantic Avenue is. So I think before, like 2 or 3 years ago, there used to be a direct entrance to the platform. So you got access to the Exhibition GO station, BMO Field, Budweiser Stage, and Anarchy Center through this bridge. And let's look at your train departure times. Let's go through the GO station first, and then we'll take the walkway above the tracks. So this elevator, the station is accessible. There is an elevator at the station. This will just be an unscripted station tour, of course. Now the stairs. This is a little underpass. I think this underpass has been here for who knows how long. But the overpass is only recently been constructed. It's only been there for around, I think, since December 2024. I'll fact check that, of course, in editing. Not the Westbound platform. Let's go back this way. That's not the right platform, so this is the underpass. So Exhibition GO station. I'll actually go in the overpass. As I said, Lizzo C did make a video on this in October of last year, but I think the bridge was not finished yet. And Exhibition GO station is Gonna be the western terminus of the Ontario line. Should be open in the next decade. There's the entrance to the CNE, of course. Let's go through the overpass. And as I said, I am going to be recording a video at the CNE. So quite a large number of steps to get up to this overpass version. Let's look at Westbound Pedestrian. Let's look at the CN Tower. Just in the distance down there. Now I got a thumbnail pic. So I have the camera down for a second. And got a thumbnail pic. For video. Let's go try leaving while we can capture that. I bet all these people are getting off at the CNE. My guess, because I am recording this on Saturday, August 16th, which is the second day of the CNE. Originally I was supposed to record this video yesterday, but because my voice is crap, and it still kind of is. My voice is still kind of crap, so this video is a day late technically. Times again. There's a little construction down there. Camera down. As always, if you guys enjoyed this episode, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I also got to show the Gardner Expressway in the background as well. There's the Gardner Expressway down there, all those cars. So I've come here to do a video at the CNE as well, as mentioned at the beginning of the video.
Your 1455 Lakeshore Westbound train to West Harbour is arriving shortly at Exhibition on platform 1 and is 12 coaches long. Stay well back from the yellow line.
Votre train de 14h55 ligne champ ouest en direction ouest à destination le West Harbour arrive bientôt à Exhibition sur le courrier composé de 12 voitures. Reste bien loin de la ligne jaune.
And of course we made it to the Exhibition GO station. We did a round trip from Liberty Village over to the CNE and back. As always, if you guys enjoyed this episode, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Peace out, guys.